Hey everyone, I'm Adi. I'm on a 150 city plus world tour teaching CEOs, organizations how to transform themselves using AI, how AI is going to impact the world, but most importantly, how we can really think about it from both a parenting perspective as well as an educator perspective. I think we spent a great 2 hours trying to do a 360, really looking at first on how AI is changing the world.
We're extremely privileged today to have Aditya come and join us and talk about AI and talk about the future of AI and what we have to consider as a school and what parents have to consider as they chat with their kids at home as this evolves. It was really eye-opening and has given us plenty to think about, and it's been a delight to have Aditya here and share his expertise with the community, and I couldn't ask for anything more.
It was a shock to know that in 5 years we're going to be in a completely different world. It was definitely a different perspective as well, because I got to think about it as a parent instead of as a business, for work and so on. So that was completely different too. But it was amazing. I wish I could stay, for hours and listen to this, because I can take so much back. But definitely amazing. And I'm so happy that the school provided this for us.
Hi guys, my name is Amit. I'm a parent at the ABA. They always say learning is for life, and I think today we've actually experienced that with the AI world. But now we're in the new age of AI where it's a constant learning, it's something new. The session with Adi today, how do we take parenting forward? What do we learn from our kids? What do we teach our kids in terms of the age of AI?
Hello, I'm Tom. I'm the Director for British Council Oman. I thought today's talk was very interesting and thought-provoking as all of us try to get to grips with the coming change of AI. I thought there was something here for both teachers and educators, so that was great.
I think this workshop was amazing. Thank you to Aditya, who has just been phenomenal for us. His takeaways is that whilst we enter this new age, we've got to make sure our kids, understand what our values are, and even as a school, what the school values would be.